The S929. Check this thing out. If you're into sports and fitness, and especially if you're into swimming, you're going to love this watch that has always-on continuous heart rate monitoring that will show you the high, low, and average when you start this screen. Built-in stopwatch, full-fledged compass once you calibrate it. You've got all these different functions, including your tethering connectivity for your smartphone. You've got brightness controls that can bloom this thing out so bright. They're really actually still in color. It's unbelievable. Really good for outdoor viewing. You've got 3 different watch faces that you can get to simply by pressing and holding. And that is just the beginning. When you actually swipe to the side, you get all these different exercise capabilities. When you see the little radar dish, that means it invokes GPS and will acquire your location, track, your distance from GPS, all of that. But swimming is really the highlight of this watch. With 9 degrees of freedom axis gyroscope built in, you can get automatic recognition of your strokes and everything else. But you have a bunch of more activities as well, and history and settings if you want. In the menu, you've got a few more goodies that you can use for setting things up: alarms, calculators, and calendars, including that world clock once you set your city. It is the S929, and it is a really nice, waterproof, of course, sports fitness watch. Check it out.